What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis, and today I'm going to show you an amazing feature on Crypto.com's app, and also on their website. But the app, I'm pretty sure a lot of people use the app more. I'm going to show you in this video, using my phone on Crypto.com's app, how to use crypto options, which is amazing because before I got into crypto, I used to do stock options, and let me just say, it's a great way to make a lot of money and also lose a lot of money, right? You got to know what you're doing. So if you're going to get into this, you definitely got to know what you're doing, looking at the charts and everything. But I really like Crypto.com because they made options very, very simple. They're called up-down options. And I'm going to show you right here how to do it. They even have a demo trading. So if you want to, practice a little bit, you can use the demo trading, which is like not real money, but it uses the real market price, right? So you can practice using it if you're still a little confused after this video. And if you still haven't got Crypto.com yet, you can get their app $25 free using my link worth of Crow, which I think is going to be an amazing coin because, we're going to enter a very crypto-friendly environment here in the United States, and that's going to favor Crypto.com as an exchange, right? So I think Crow is going to benefit very well. So if you want to get $25 free worth of Crow, use my app, my link right there. The only way you'll get it is after you get that referral. After you sign up, you just have to buy $100 worth of crypto. So that's it. After you buy $100 worth of crypto or you trade, you get that $25 free worth of Crow, which you can even use for the crypto options, which I'm about to show you. So I'm about to show you in a little bit, but I just want to say, obviously, this is something that, if you're getting into this without having any experience or with technical analysis, looking at the charts, it's going to be like gambling, to be honest, right? And that's the same thing for the stock market. If you're just trading options just out of the get-go and based on what you're feeling, right? You really have to look at the charts, play a little bit with the demo trading. After you get consistent, after you know what you're doing, then you could play it with a little bit. But like I said, this is a great way to benefit off of a major move from a crypto with higher leverage, right? You're going to get more from your money using options. And now that we finally have crypto options, which, by the way, this is the first time we have in a regulated exchange like Crypto.com offering this, right? This is not a non-regulated exchange. This is a very regulated exchange here in the United States that's for anyone here in the States to use crypto options. So let's get to it. We're going to flip over. I'm going to show you guys here how to use it on my phone. So let's check it out. So here we are on Crypto.com's app. And if you guys, again, if you haven't signed up yet, use my link, $25 worth of Crow, once you buy $100 worth of any coins, as you guys can see here. But the question is, where do I go here to options trading, right? Well, there's two ways. You can either click right here on leverage, or you can come up here and click on strike options. Boom, right there, as you guys can see. And hopefully my camera can focus throughout this. But here you will see the strike options is right here that you can use. And look, if this is your first time, you're probably gonna have to press some agreements, right? It's pretty fast. You just press agree. Basically telling information about this. And what's awesome is they have demo trading. So demo trading, if you want to play around with it, get consistent, get a feel for it, you can actually do demo trading. You click right there, and it's real-time data and zero risk because it's not real money. You click begin demo trading, and I definitely recommend this for people starting. Even after watching my video, you still have some questions, you want to get a feel for it. It's the same thing as real trading, just with fake money. So right here, let me get a focus. You can see it's very simple. The user interface is very simple. Here you click the coin you want to trade. In the beginning, they actually just had Bitcoin and Ethereum, but since then they added Dogecoin, Avalanche, Shiba Inu, Stellar, Polkadot, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash. So they have a lot, right? Since the beginning, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna add even more. So that is awesome. And they even have Forex, which isn't open right now, but when it is open, you could trade Euro, Japan, Australia, and the GBP, as you can see. So that's pretty cool too. But let's focus here on crypto. So you pick your coin you want to. So I'm gonna click on Bitcoin, and basically the way that this works is you can see that right here is the amount of time. You click the amount of time. They even have 5 minutes, 5, 20 minutes, 2 hours. So it's very it's kind of crazy, right? Because usually options are long term, much longer term, like in the stock market. But let's say right here, let's do 5 minutes, which is pretty crazy. Basically, and like I said, you got to be looking at the charts. You can't just do this looking at this, guys. You have to have charts open when you're doing this. Trading view, right? You got to have a computer looking at charts before you make a decision like this. But let's say I got the 5 minutes, and right here, let's say, okay, I believe Bitcoin will be above 97,091, right? Which the price at the moment is up here, 97.89. So let's say in 5 minutes, I believe it's going to be above here. So you click yes. And basically here, this is the amount of contracts you have, which is the amount of times versus that value, right? So you can see right there, that's my profit, and here's my loss. So, right, so if I am right on this, I'm going to get that profit. If I'm wrong, I'm going to lose 65. So obviously, you want to do calculation on your odds, right? Not every contract is worth it, right? That's why you want to look at the charts. You want to see, okay, what's the probability, which even gives you right here, the probability 55%. They even give you that right there. So, but again, you got to be looking at the charts, because if you're doing this without looking at the charts, you're basically just gambling, right? You're just like, okay, let me just flip a coin. So you can even decrease the amount of contracts. So 9, 8, 5, you can see that it'll go lower, right, in value for profit. And you can increase it and you'll get more. So I'm just going to do one here just to play around and see here. Let's see if we can find a good one. Obviously 5 minutes. So we can see that Bitcoin is trending up. So Bitcoin will be above this. I'm going to do yes, right? And oh, look at that. It's way worse now, right? Because since Bitcoin is moving up, the contract's a way worse deal, right? So if I did that right then, I would have been in profit. So I mean, this is not a good deal. $13 for 90, not a good deal. But that's because the odds went up, right? I mean, Bitcoin is much more above. So let's say if you could do something like this, where okay, I believe in 5 minutes Bitcoin will be above this. Obviously, your odds are going to be better. I mean, the profit's going to be better, but the odds, right? The probability, as you can see right here, the probability 23%. So the probability is going to be way less than the other one, as you guys can see how this works. So, you know, let's do no, right? So let's do no. Let's see the probability here for no. Obviously not good either. So again, guys, you got to play around with this. You don't just have to stick with Bitcoin. You can also go out to Dogecoin. But I want to do a good one here. I want to do a good one so we can see. And look, every time, you know, sometimes it stops because the market is very volatile. So let's do this one. I'm gonna do no, right? Let's see if we could get a good deal here. Even if it's not a good deal, I'm just gonna do it just for the video. But like I said, when it's very volatile, you gotta wait till it loads up. You can even look here at the 20 minutes, which I recommend. The 5 minutes is just way too. I mean, it's gonna be always like this, stopping because it's volatile. So right here, Bitcoin will be above this. No. Let's see here if we can get a good deal. Obviously not, because it's pretty volatile right now. But you know, this is great to do once the market is kind of calm, like it was a couple minutes ago. And you can also, like I said, once you do a contract, you can close in. You don't have to be in it throughout the entire time. Let me go back here. Let's see right here. Okay, so looks like it's better now. Let me just focus. All right, let me just do one here. Boom. I just placed a trade, right? Demo. It fills. So here it is. Where's the trade right here? Okay, so this is all demo. Buy 10 contracts, sell. There we go. Just focus. So you can see right here your trade live. And let's see right here. See it right there. This is my position. You can see where it's at. It shows you the price option. You can close the position. You can increase position. Very, very good user interface in my opinion. Very simple to understand. Price to close, right? Take profit, set up now. You can even set up a taking profit. Unrealized P&L. So, you know, up 11. So let's say I can close position, profit, close. So you can close it right here and profit if you want to, which is awesome, right? So, all right, you can stay like this, right? I'm gonna close the profit, close profit, boom, and then I'm up. Okay, it's been closed. You don't have to wait, you know, the entire time. But I just closed the profit. I just closed the contract, and as you can see, I was up 12 bucks. I think it's easier to see your yeah, when it's demo trading, it's harder to see your results. I think we'd have to go right here. But when it's like real, when it's not demo, you can see your order history. There we go. So right here, realized P&L, $8 or something. So I think there were like some fees that it took out, so it wasn't 12 bucks. But you can see how it works, guys. This can be very, very profitable if you know what you're doing, looking at the charts. This is great, in my opinion. Very simple to understand, and it's a great way to leverage if you're a good trader, right? Buying a certain coin and leverage based on the amount of contracts that you buy. So this 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 2 hours, and you can get some good deals if you really practice and trade. So I definitely recommend it. Of course, none of this is financial advice. And if you guys want to get $25 off, I mean $25 to even trade, which you will get to, you could trade using your own crypto here. It doesn't have to just be fiat. You can use crypto. So you want to get $25 worth of Crow to practice, you can definitely use my link below. But I'm gonna be bringing more content on strike options. I think it's great. And yeah, definitely follow for more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.